Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper mache pinata that looks like a cat. Ready? First we're going to blow up a couple balloons. One's going to be the head, one's going to be the body. To make the paper mache mixture, it's equal parts flour and water. Then take your strip of newspaper and dip it in and wipe the excess off and put it on your balloon overlapping. I added little feet to the cat using toilet paper roll and ears just using pieces of cardboard. I also added a ribbon that I paper mache'd in place for hanging it up. Oh, and the tail, I just rolled up newspaper and taped it on. I primed and painted the face and tail. To make the fur for the cat, I folded construction paper, I cut slits in it, and then I rolled it up and let that sit for a while. The next day, I opened it up and cut it in half. Using a permanent marker, I drew on the cat's face, and we're all finished. Here's our cat piñata.